Yeah, the thought of you keeps me awake late at night. Got no idea, no clue how to get you off my mind. I hope this situation bends, but as long as you're happy, then I'm content. Just a friend, will always be there just for you. Would you be there too? But you know the promise I made, it's one I'll never break. Just tell me what to do, 'cause you know I'll be there, no matter what they say. There's nothing to fear, I'll take it from here, every hour, every day. 'Cause you know that I'll share all the secrets that I made. I'll share them to you, just for two. Just know that I'm here, ever true.